Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to set login alerts. First of all, open your Facebook app, go to your menu and then go to security and then look for login alerts. Then enable notifications for unrecognized login. Check all authorized devices under where you are logged in. Remove devices you do not recognize. That will help you a lot to not get hackers. Next, you're going to enable two-factor authentication for extra safety. Safety tip: never ignore login alerts. It might be something really important, so do not ignore it. Quick fix: reinstall the app if alerts aren't showing. Just long press on the screen, click on remove app, then delete your app, and if you want to download it again, go to App Store, search for Facebook, and then just reinstall it from the App Store, and that's it. Subscribe for